How's it going, YouTube? Brendan's Tanks here. Got a brand new video for you, and I think you'll like it. Stay tuned. For our video today, I got a fish tank supply and fish haul. I just traded some of the fish I had and some snails. Ended up getting some pretty cool decor. Some nice holiday decorations. And as well as I got some lava rock, I'm probably going to make a sump filter. I got a featherfin synodontis, or a catfish, squeaker catfish. And I got 3 crawfish. I believe a gray one, red one, juvenile red, I'm not too sure. But very neat. They're fighting. That's not good. Gotta put them in the big tank so they have more room. This is a fish haul, guys, not a crawfish battle. Jeez. So this is new to me, everybody. This is my 50-gallon tank with a stand. Here's the restored 50-gallon stand and tank. I prefer acrylics due to the older tanks. The silicone seam can bust and I don't want to flood my room with 50 gallons of water. But I just spray painted the stand satin black, added a cloth on top to prevent scratching, and then I just got a pump. I added that. It's running into the sump filter that I got with lava rock and biomedia, and then I have some other smaller hoses siphoning the water back into the tank. But I really like this tank setup. Got the new pot and snail decor that I got from the fish haul. And you can see that there's certainly crawfish chilling in there.